We are ready for contestant number 13. From Knoxville, Tennessee, under the direction of Kelly Pfeiffer, the K-Town Sound Show Chorus.
Till that lucky day, I know darn well, baby, love I've plenty of. I can't give you anything but love, baby. That's the only thing I've plenty of, baby. Dream a while, scheme a while, we're sure to find happiness. And I guess all those things you've always pined for, gee, I'd like to see you looking swell. Well, baby, diamond bracelets for a dozen sell, baby. Till that lucky day, it's swell, baby. I can't give you anything but love. All I've got is love. Hell is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. B is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. A lot of love and two, and love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for you and me. Yes, sirree, baby G. I'd like to see you looking so hot, baby. Diamond bracelets came our dozen sell, baby. Till that lucky day, I know darn well, baby. I can't give you anything but LOV love. Till that lucky day, I am here to stay, baby. I can't give you anything but love. All of my love. When a star is born, may possess a gift or two. One of them is this: they have the power to make a wish come true. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. If your heart is in your dream, no request is too extreme. When you wish upon a star as dreamers do, fate is kind. She brings to those who love the sweet fulfillment of their secret longing. Like a bolt out of the blue, fate steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish, I wish
much, Jamie.
And we are back, and
Here
that
we
was
are.
another great performance.
was.
I
They
tell
did a
you,
great
it's so fun to
job.
watch these courses, and these women have so much fun with their hobby,
Absolutely.
spending a great time at contests.
Absolutely.
They have
I
a
love
shout
it.
out, so I'll read that for you. It says, "Break a lip, girls. We love you. Nancy Belden, mommy.
Aw.
Love Liam, Sully, Mac, and Finley." That's very, very special. And I
Ooh.
believe we have a director over here,
Yes.
some representatives
Are you coming on up, ladies?
from K-Town Sound.
Great job, ladies. Oh,
I
so
think they
proud
know
of
each
you.
other.
Oh,
Hi. How are you?
everybody.
Good.
Great
I'm
job.
glad.
Great
That's
job.
a sweet Adeline.
Well done, ladies.
Right, so
Well
have a-
done.
have a
yeah, here,
mic.
take those.
want a mic.
So tell us,
not a
tell
good
us
thing
who
to
you
give me a
are.
mic.
Actually,
Give us your
Give
name.
us the mic.
I am Rachel Everett. I'm the current president. And
I'm
this is
Talia
oh,
Caps.
sorry.
Yeah, I can speak. Thank you.
Our directors, all three of our directors, are getting ready to get in line for MNC.
yes,
so,
they sing with Metro Nashville
Yes.
Chorus.
oh,
yes,
I
her-
Talia's
dual
standing in
members.
for our directors.
Oh,
so.
Yes.
wonderful.
If you haven't been
Just
told
like
about
that.
dual
Yeah,
members, we'll
absolutely.
talk about that later.
I look just like Kelly.
Yeah,
I'm
sexy up there. Was she
standing.
not sexy up there?
Absolutely.
Oh, I love her directing us.
You all, yes, and you all did a great job. It was
Thank
obvious
you.
you felt wonderful on stage, and you sounded great. And
Thank you very
really
much.
proud of them.
Thank you. I mean,
Yeah.
that was our biggest goal, just to go up and just have fun, and
And you did.
and just give it a 10.
Right.
So that's what we tried to do.
I think we're
Awesome.
all hams. We like to be in front of an
I can
audience.
speak from personal experience. Yes. Oh, and we got to let you all go. Oh, okay. So we're getting ready for One Voice.
Contestant
This is,
number
yes,
14.